Doing anything you enjoy works. A fun game and any activity, especially with others, is a joy. The Europeans used to go for a stroll after a meal and talk as they walked, enjoying conversation and laughter with smiles. Personal pleasures replace the self-indulgent craving to overeat or other destructive habits, like giving in to obsessive thoughts and some addictions. Many things are more fun than overeating or substance abuse, which often puts one to sleep or too incapacitated to share or experience any real joy. You already have pleasures. Personal pleasure is already part of your life. Manage your urges with anything you enjoy. Instead of a bad habit, play, have fun. Replace any bad habit with safe pleasures, and it works. Any cause of joy creates feel-good hormones that overcome urges for unwanted habits. Replace an old pleasure with a better one. You are in control. This way is used effectively with any weight loss system or rehab program helping to prevent failure. This way can help control any troublesome habits and some addictions, alcohol, and possibly including self-mutilation or simple urges like compulsive shopping, behavior like obsessive thoughts or moodiness.